Uh-oh.
Whatever I did, my digestive process came back. But then came a lot.
Uh-oh.
The only probiotic clinically proven to provide ongoing protection against episodes of constipation,
Yeah.
diarrhea, urgency, gas, and bloating. Brings peace to and pain. Try Prime and discover a world.